Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today, fam, I'm so excited to share with you guys what I found online. I found these OPI Gelevate Soft Tips. They are ultra thin, double-sided micro etch tips that are pre-prepped and ready to go. Their claims you get 3 weeks of wear. They're tailor-made and pro apex. Now, I have wide nail beds, and the only nail extensions that I can find that can fit me is a praise. But I love the stiletto nails, but they don't fit me well, and I always have to buy the extra pack for the thumbs when I buy the stilettos from a praise. But look at these. Oh, I was so excited to get the box. I had to open them up. Look at these. Already etched and ready to go. Can you see that? Excited, fam. They just gorgeous. And this is the medium size. So gorgeous. I also went ahead and bought the OPI Gelevate 401 Builder. This is the gel that you can use for these nails. Fam, let's go ahead and get started. Alright fam, nails are prepped. Purchased these nails with my own money. And there's 640 pieces to the box, 16 different sizes altogether. Now you cannot buy these on OPI unless you're a professional. So I think it's Angelique Supply or Beauty Supply Store. I will link it down in the description box. But let's go ahead and get started to apply the OPI Gelevate 401 Builder. We're going to go ahead and apply some of this gel to the inside of the nail. We're going to put it on the sides and in the middle. We're going to scrape a little bit from the top, off the brush I mean. Go ahead and get my curing light started. We're going to go ahead and apply the nail at a 45-degree angle. Push it down so slightly until the gel free flow to the tip of your nail. Once it reaches the tip of your nail, put it underneath the curing light for about 15 seconds, and I rotate my nail from side to side. Looks good. Okay, let's continue on. Same steps, side to side, and in the middle. And then I'm just going to scrape a little bit off the brush. Go ahead and turn my curing lamp on. Place the nail to 45-degree angle. Push down slightly until the gel free flow to the tip of your nail. Once there, place it underneath the curing light, and I rotate my nail back. Nails are all on. We are ready to put underneath our curing light, our UV light rather, for 60 seconds. Okay, we are all done underneath the curing lamp. Now we're going to go ahead and use our nail drill so we can get some of these glue, a little bit of this glue that I have an overflow on the side of my nails. So the nail drill I'll be using is from Shein. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and follow around the cuticle just a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of our acetone and our brush, and we're just gonna seal these cuticles just a little bit more. Just blend them in just a little bit more. You're gonna dip your brush into some acetone. I wipe off some of it, and then I go in and just move my brush side to side, from side to side. I love these gel extensions. These have to be my favorite gel extensions. Look at those. Look how I don't have to shape them. There's no plastic piece on the tip of them. They are perfectly shaped. Gets thinner right there. They fit a wide nail bed. Look at those. Oh, I'm just in love. I'm in love, and I bought these with my own money, and I just happened to find these as I was looking for nails for a wide nail bed, and I found these. Just stumbled across them. Love them. Today we'll be using this new color 9052 by Kanani. I bought this off of Amazon. Just love the color. I will also put the link to all the products that I'll be using in the description box. Oh my God, fam, they are so gorgeous. I love this shape. We have finished with our second coat, and we're gonna go ahead and apply a little couple of designs on them. a little bit over the line. They just wipe it off. Well, we're just gonna have to do this one again. Just a dot. I'll do 2 at a time so they don't slide around everywhere before they get a chance to fully cure. Go ahead and use a flash up. Okay, now we're going to do a cure for 60 seconds. And it's curing. Very simple, very cute. Now we're going to use this Jello fixing gel. We're going to use this gel to apply this heart. Okay. So we're going to dip it right into the gel. And then we're going to apply it right on our nail. Get it in place. Make sure it looks good. Just where you want it to be. Okay, looks good. Yep, it's on there. To here. looks cute. That is very cute and very simple. Let's just see with one without it on. Yeah, we're gonna apply two more. One more down here. Okay. Now we're gonna flash. No, we're gonna use a UV light. Today we'll be using this glass top coat that I got from Shein. I'm not even gonna try to say this name, but you guys can see it. Now I'm going to paint everything on my nail, even on top of the little silver rhinestones. And we're gonna go ahead and stick our hand in the UV light, and then we will be done. I absolutely love the way my nails has turned out. Nail extensions so far. I just love the shape of these nails, fam. I just can't get enough of them. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed it.